All right, what's up, guys? Well, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So the S550 right here is gonna go ahead and get a little bit more carbon. Now, not much compared to what we already have because we already have carbon there, but we're gonna go ahead and get complete carbon back here. Now, honestly, I've been sitting on this carbon fiber trunk right here for a little bit now, but now is the time. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed hopefully tonight. Process isn't too bad, if I have to say so myself. We'll definitely go ahead and show you guys a little bit step by step. But before we really get jumped into today's video, I wanna go ahead and say, if you haven't seen us pick this Q50 Red Sport 400 edition, definitely go check that video out. We're actually able to go ahead and get this under 7,000 asking price, and we capitalize on that one. So before actually getting started on the removal, definitely gonna go ahead and want to pick up one of these kits. Very cheap on Amazon. They make your life way easier, as well as we're gonna need a 10 mil and a 5.5 mil. But that's pretty much it. Honestly, there's not really much to it. The hardest part is actually gonna go ahead and be the camera and removing like those pieces. Other than that, again, that kit will make this part, taking these little clips off, very, very easy, as well as a grommet. I already took one out. You can see right there. These you just twist very easily. Again, really, really simple. All right, so with those removed, now it's just to pop out all these little clips. So you have this one right here that, again, you just slide it underneath. Really, really easy. You kind of hold it down if you like so it doesn't shoot. Makes life so easy, like I said. And just because I don't like the angle of this one to get the top ones, I have this one right here. Very, very easy. Again, all in the same kit. And now we just expose all the wiring to the actual latch right here in the camera. So again, gonna need this tool again, just to pop the rest of these out. And after getting a better look, we're gonna go ahead and need a deep socket for those 10 mils right there. So now with the actual trunk on there, we're gonna go ahead and just speed up the process and put the camera and latch back on. And because I actually went ahead and used the kit, it made it so I didn't really damage these. So now I can just go ahead and slide them back in, and it makes it super, super easy. And for the final touches, we're gonna go ahead and screw these things back on. So there it is. Everything's all put together. Even put the little grommets right there as well. So you go ahead and see from the side, it looks really good. There is a little bit of a gap and a little bit I have to adjust because it is a little bit further this side, but I'll go ahead and do that off camera. But right now, just looking at it over, it looks really, really good in my opinion. Honestly, it looks way more aggressive than that one, but damn, I'm gonna go ahead and air it out just so I can see how it looks a little bit lower to the ground. Damn, this thing looks so damn aggressive. Wow. So super, super happy. But with this being done, we're gonna go ahead and jump to the next part of the video. So definitely looks different from the front. I actually didn't even look at that last night, but definitely does look a little bit different. Honestly, the tires stick out a lot more just because it brings your eyes downward rather than upward, because you can see the spoiler from before. Now it brings your eyes to look down, which again makes the car look even more aggressive. Fortunately, I did wash the car yesterday, but we had a freeze warning and it got really cold, obviously. So I should probably actually explain what we're actually doing right now. We're actually dropping off the S550. They're gonna go ahead and just take a look it over, just because we have an event this weekend that we're gonna go ahead and attend with it. And I wanna go ahead and just make sure everything's all buttoned up. Damn, this thing is clean. We're dropping off the S550 right there, just aired it out. You can go ahead and see we're not all the way to the ground, and I kinda wanna see if we can get lower. It's also one of the things we're gonna go ahead and take a look at. With that being said, we're gonna go ahead and pick it up in a few days. So overall, extremely happy with the result. Again, huge shout out to Unleashed Motorsports, always helping us out, making this car look beautiful, as well as we got the Q50 over here. Shout out to Estrella for helping us out and transporting us so we can go ahead and drop it off and pick it up. All right, so as usual, are you good, babe? You're good. All right, thumbs up. This is how the car looks now, and this is how I want it to look when we get back. Sheesh, man, that thing looks so damn good. to see if I can do this. If I stay close enough. See if I can do it. Yes! Oh, dude, I love it. Yo. Yo, what's up? So you got Could Be Mob over here with the huge lineup with Brad's bagged out GT right there, as well as Unleashed over here at Motorsports, a couple of their cars looking really, really good. The C8 over here, there's actually a SEMA. This thing's insane. Sheesh. And then another SEMA build that they were a part of right here. Tesla. So because we won the top 7 poll, we get a park over here in the middle. You go ahead and see it's all filled up right now. You go ahead and see he actually has the old one that I used to have right there. I ended up selling it to him for pretty cheap. Man, I do love that hood though, I ain't gonna lie. But these things are both clean when they're next to each other. Man, the rain is coming down right now. Just finished up grubbing. Very successful day, very happy with the results. All right, so we have Estrella getting in the car right now. We're gonna go ahead and hear the difference between the valves on quiet mode, which is closed, and then we're having the valves completely open. So let's go ahead and hear it up real quick. Yeesh. And there you have it. You go ahead and hear it does make a very, very big difference. So we're heading on back home. Right now, that's what we're trying to beat, that crazy looking storm. Looks like we're gonna go ahead and be okay, but damn, good thing, because that thing looks monstrous.